Grow crypto effortless on simpler. Welcome to my YouTube channel Crypto Jewel. Okay, today I will share with you with this uh, earning in our idle fund and crypto in our wallet. I'm using the OKX wallet, and as you see, USDT 10% with bonus flexible. Then USDT 30 days new 3.81%. Then USDC 10% and Ethereum flexible 5% bonus. Okay, so this is the simple earn in OKX. No, so I will put the link on my description. If you don't have a OKX wallet, you can sign up and invest in this simple earn. So, but what I want to emphasize more is the earnings of the dogs token. If you have a dogs token in your wallet, like in my case, so I have dogs token 16,024, then I have sats 3.4 million. So I will put this token idle token in earn, so that it will earn interest, no? So this is my token dogs, then this is sat, no? So auto earn, you're earning interest on your idle funds. So meaning in investing in this simple earn sample. So this is my first investment in dogs token. So pending, of course. Estimate annual return, profit return is 1%. So amount is 16,204. Then in my sats, so pending 1%, then 3,458,247 sat. So maybe tomorrow or in the next day, the return will appear in this corner, no? So if you have bought any token, or especially the dog token, if you did not trade or sell your dogs, so you can invest your dog in the simple earn in OKX, and it will earn passive return, passive income with your token, huh? So I hope you learned something with this video, but always remember, this is not a financial advice. This is for educational purpose only. Do research before investing in any cryptos, especially meme token. Okay, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel Crypto Joel. Thank you for watching.